You can expect a lot from the 2020 Toyota RAV4. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, lane departure warning, and a split folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.